Welcome to a Sin Code. Want to become a better coder? Hit like, subscribe, and let's do this together. In this video we will determine if a triangle is equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. Introduction to triangles. Equilateral triangle. All three sides of the triangle are of equal length. Isosceles triangle. Two sides of the triangle are of equal length, and the third side is different. Scalene triangle. All three sides of the triangle have different lengths. Steps to solve the problem. To identify the type of triangle, we need to check the lengths of the three sides. If all sides are equal, it is equilateral. If two sides are equal and the third is different, it is isosceles. If all sides are different, it is scalene. This example defines a Python function that classifies a triangle based on the lengths of its three sides. It checks if the triangle is equilateral, all sides are equal, isosceles, two sides are equal, or scalene, all sides are different. The function also validates that the side lengths are positive and greater than 0, ensuring they form a valid triangle. The main goal of this example is to demonstrate how to use conditional logic and functions in Python to classify geometric shapes based on simple properties like side lengths, and it highlights how to handle user input and output results. Function to classify a triangle based on the lengths of its three sides. The function classify_triangle takes three parameters, a, b, and c. These represent the lengths of the three sides of the triangle. The purpose of this function is to check the lengths and classify the triangle accordingly. Check if any side is less than or equal to 0. A triangle cannot have negative or 0 side lengths. If any side is invalid, equals 0, we immediately return an error message. This step ensures that the inputs are valid for a triangle to exist. Invalid sides cannot form a triangle. Check if all sides are equal, equilateral triangle. If all three sides A, B, C are equal, the triangle is classified as equilateral. This is checked by comparing the three sides to each other. All sides are equal in length. Check if any two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal and the third is different, it is classified as isosceles. This is checked by comparing two sides at a time. The triangle has two equal sides and one unequal side. two sides are equal. Step 4. If no sides are equal, it is a scalene triangle. If none of the sides are equal, the triangle is classified as scalene. This is the else case, meaning no sides are equal. All three sides are different. Example of how to use the function. First side length of the triangle. This is a variable representing the length of one side. Second side length of the triangle. Another variable, the second side length. Third side length of the triangle, the third variable, representing the last side length. Calling the function classify_triangle and passing the side lengths as arguments. The arguments side 1, side 2, and side 3 are passed into the function as parameters a, b, c. Displaying the result. This will print equilateral because all three sides are equal, 5, 5, 5. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this one.